Cap 26 registered with Justin Pierce and Hobbies. And we've got this, let's see. I'm going to put the link in the description below. But it's Pell King neck video device. And really, I mean, it's okay, but I had to extend it. I used extension from this kit right here to extend it. And then these two screws, not tight enough, so I had to put green stuff in there. So when you put it around your neck, you can actually look at it, look at the phone. So you might want to do this, get the extender for this. And I didn't buy the one that goes with this kit, but I had another one on hand to fix this. So I want to show you that today, and I hope this helps you in any way. And I hope you have a good day. Bye for now.